Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rebirth fast in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots on Roblox. Now, here's the big thing you need to understand. Rebirth in this game is not just a reset. It's a permanent upgrade. Your cash in the game is capped by your speed, so even if you grind non-stop, you'll eventually hit a wall where you're just not earning fast enough. And that's exactly where Rebirth comes in and completely breaks that limit. Right now, you can rebirth up to 20 times, and every single rebirth gives you a permanent money multiplier. The trick is you can't just rebirth whenever you want. You have to hit a specific speed requirement first, and since the whole game is about outrunning the tsunami, your speed is everything. You increase it by buying upgrades from the speed shop, and once you reach the required speed, you can rebirth and permanently boost your income. Plus, you'll even have the power to jump. The first rebirth starts at 40 speed and gives you about 1.5 times multiplier. And from there, every rebirth increases the required speed by 10 and keeps boosting your multiplier higher and higher. So if you want to rebirth fast, don't just randomly spend your cash. You want to plan your upgrades around those speed thresholds. And as soon as you're close to the next requirement, focus everything on hitting that number instead of over upgrading past it. Rebirth as soon as you qualify, because those multipliers scale way harder than raw grinding ever will. That's about it. If you play this smart, even mid-tier brainrots will start printing money once those multipliers stack up. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!